If you've started many French courses, textbooks, Duolingo, night classes, and not managing to finish those courses because maybe you don't learn in that traditional kind of way, I am starting a new Zoom course for people just like you to learn French in a really fun, informal way, using everyday situations that you'll find yourself in, ordering food, asking for directions, navigating public transport, booking hotels, making requests, asking questions. The idea is for you to enjoy the actual learning process and learn a whole bunch of useful French that you'll be able to put to good use and speak to the locals. So even if you think you have a terrible memory or you're rubbish at learning, I've included lots of daft hooks to help you remember the trickier bits. And there's plenty of repetition. The idea isn't to remember everything, it's to learn by repetition. And that's my job as the teacher. It's called Get Beyond Tarzan Fun Holiday French for Adults. It starts on Monday, the 5th of February, 1 to 2 p.m. UK time. Click the link to find out more and to get on the waitlist. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine fois.